Welcome to Bold Ventures TV, sister show to Bold Ventures Radio, which is brought to you by OrgPR LLC and Seyfarth Shaw LLP. Host Gene Creech, interviews by Skype, Ted Sullivan, CEO of Fundigo Media, maker of Game Changer.
Welcome to the program, everyone. I'm Gene Creech, and you're listening to Bold Ventures Radio. This is the show where every week we interview interesting entrepreneurs from all over the country. Tonight we have Ted Sullivan calling in from New York City. He's the CEO and founder of Fundigo Media, which is bringing to market Game Changer. Tell us specifically how Game Changer works.
When I say amateur, and kind of throughout this conversation, really amateur is anything below the pro level. I think that we actually will address the college market as well. I think that some schools, especially there's a huge majority of colleges are actually small schools that don't have huge budgets for, several employees to kind of manage stats and create real-time game casts and things like that. And so they're part of our market too, but the core of our market is the high school and youth organized sports. And we're starting with baseball and softball. And so again, just to get back to our product, we have a mobile application that enhances or replaces the scorekeeping process. And in doing so, it collects and manages data for that team that solves this kind of onerous process of managing statistics and sending them to local media and calculating them so that you can use them to help your ball players. But then the more exciting piece is that as that game is being scored through a really kind of simple user interface, a very detailed play-by-play description is being sent to the web via our databases over that AT&T network that the iPhone is attached to. So we can, for those listeners that are familiar with ESPN Gamecast, which is kind of a digital representation of a sports game, we're creating ESPN Gamecast, but for a 12-year-old Little League game or a high school game. All of our technology is built on a platform that allows us to make a big media partner or a small media partner. It might be a local blogger, or it could be a big online local news partner like Boston.com or the WashingtonPost.com. And we have tools, or what are called widgets, that will sit on the local sports section of those websites. And that widget is basically a live scoreboard. So if there are several teams in local, let's just take the Washington, D.C., because I mentioned the Washington Post. If there are several teams using Game Changer in that area, that live local scoreboard, just as they have for the Major League Baseball games, when teams are playing during the spring and summer, this will show live scores, and if clicked on, live play-by-play for all of those high school teams going on in the area. So if you think of the business being kind of three parts, there's data collection, which is done on the iPhone. There's data management, which is done by all of our back-end special sauce tools that chop up that data and turn it into statistics and a live play-by-play. Then data distribution is something that we think we can do, but there are a lot of other partners out there that might be able to do that much better than we can because they already have an existing customer base. So we're very happy to let a big media partner like that distribute that content to end users, and we'll share in the revenue that can be generated around that content.
Thanks for watching Bold Ventures TV, which is the sister show to Bold Ventures Radio. Both are brought to you by OrgPR LLC and the law firm Seyfarth Shaw LLP. Each week, Gene Creech interviews interesting entrepreneurs from around the country. Every Wednesday night, you can tune into the live broadcast of Bold Ventures Radio at 1620 a.m. or at www.americaswebradio.com. If you have a guest suggestion, send an email to gene@boldventuresprogram.com.